Acura Integra kit comes with these two pieces here. These are going to be your supports, your vertical supports on either side. They come with the 3M VHB tape, and we also include a jig here. Now this is going to create your spacing and make sure that you get this vertical and level. Make sure you clean this with a supplied alcohol swab very, very well before adhering it. Make sure that the bumper is above 65 degrees. That helps this VHB stick. The hotter the temperature, the better this VHB is going to stick. We're going to hold it there and press and hold to make sure we activate that VHB. VHB activates fully and cures fully within 24 hours. So let's install it. All right, we've removed the red backing, and now we're coming in, and you can see how this jig creates that spacing we need. You don't have to get super tight with that, that jig. The little bit loose is okay, and that'll give you a little more space for the install. So what we're going to do is, once we have it in position, we're going to press and hold on that VHB tape to get it to activate. So we're going to be slipping in both of these pieces. This is going to be your passenger side with that angle. The driver's side will have the reverse angle. They'll mate up in the middle. And what we'll do is we're going to be coming through either one of these. We recommend putting painter's tape through all of these areas here. We're quite careful, so we can do it. There is a space between intercooler and upper bumper support. That's where we're going to be pushing it through to get that extra room, to get it up into space, bring it back down, and rotate it around. Like so. We'll be putting that one there. And then we'll be coming in with the other one. And there we have it in position. We have these pre-installed cable ties that are going to be in the right position to be secured under here. We also supply extra cable ties, so once these are put together, you'll be coming in and you'll be connecting both of these together around the center post. Now we have these installed, these side pieces, and we'll be putting that in there to hold that first, and then we'll be securing the cable ties. We'll loosely secure the cable ties so we can do some final alignments. Bring this one, put that behind our spacer bar.